How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on About. Now navigate to the model number tab, and if your model number starts with M, it is a new device that is purchased brand new from Apple or Courier. And if your model number is F, it is a refurbished device officially refurbished by Apple. And if your model number starts from N, then it is a replacement device given as a replacement for a faulty iPhone. So you can simply tell with your model number if your iPhone is original or fake. And the next method on how you can tell your iPhone is original or fake is tap on About again and you will see your serial number. Tap hold on the serial number and you will see the copy option. Tap on copy and further go ahead and open Safari and in the search bar search for checkcoverage.apple.com. Now, in the enter serial number text box you see there, go ahead and paste the serial number that you previously copied and then tap on the submit button you see there, and Apple will show you your serial number based on your mobile device. If your device appears on the screen after entering your serial number, then it means that your iPhone is original. So this is how you can tell if your iPhone is original or fake. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.